Can you hear me well? Okay. That's a huge room, big echo I can hear. So welcome. This is last session of today. Some of you probably is wondering what Samsung is doing here. We should be somewhere at a TV set event or something, but actually not. I had one session before this one, talking in general about us doing business in virtualization, and because I'm technical consultant, now is the part that I like more, because I will talk about actual products. So if you bear with me for next half an hour, I can show you what Samsung has in the offer. I can see that you are the strongest participants, because it's already after 5 and you are still here, so I will try to keep it interesting as much as possible. To keep it interesting, at the end of my lecture, there will be some lottery. Some of you can win some prizes if you will answer a couple of my questions. So let's start. My name is PAWEL ZAWORSKI. I come from Poland and I work for regional center of Samsung, dealing with B2B products. And B2B products also include cloud displays. Recently, Samsung decided to enter this area too, as we see big opportunity in this market as well. So this is agenda of my presentation. I look for a pointer. Okay, at least the laser works. Anyways, first, how do we position ourselves in ecosystem in this virtual world? Then, why Samsung? Advantages over competitors. Then I will talk a little bit about UPoE, which is power over Ethernet. Then the lineup itself. A little bit about our solutions and software. And at the end, couple of success stories if we have time. If not, we will do the questions and the lottery. So let me show you this colorful slide that shows cloud ecosystem. And as you can see and as you know, there are many elements of virtualization. And Samsung is providing just one of it. We are delivering end client devices, which is just a little bit, just a small piece of whole idea of virtualization, whole idea of cloud computing. But why we are important? I believe Samsung is important in this area because of number of products that we have so far designed and produced. We are able to fulfill any sophisticated requirement of users. Not only we provide professional B2B displays, but also we have network laptops, we've got tablets, we've got network stations, and even mobile phones that are compatible with virtualization technologies. So, few more reasons why Samsung. We are leader in monitor business for some time so far, and it's easy accessible. We've got big variety of products. These products are available in every country in high quantities. They are very popular. Samsung means also quality. It's a well-established brand. It is recommended. It is preferred. And also, apart from cloud computers, we are specialized in B2B area too, because we are focusing not only on cloud displays, but in our professional products, we have video walls. Outside, if you saw Samsung stand, there is a 2x2 video wall. This is one of the products that I'm also dealing with. So we can provide full range of display products, including cloud computers. Here on this slide, on the right side, you can see also a totem panels, even whole solutions like vending machines that we deliver together with integrators. Few more reasons why Samsung. This year we decided to introduce LED panels only in our professional line of displays. What means LED in comparison to CCFL? First of all, eco-friendliness. That is directly involved with lower power consumption. The picture quality. We've been working for a long time with screens, so we know how to deliver good quality of an image. The contrast of the screens of LED panels is much higher. They have ultra slim design, and they look good. Couple of other reasons. This might be very prosaic, but it's extremely important if we're talking about big installations where you have hundreds, thousands of desks, where you need to put a screen, where you need to put extra cabling, mouse, keyboard. The space is very important. The way your desk is organized is very important. So my colleagues at HQ, engineers that are dealing with design of the products, they came up with a couple of very easy but very needed features, like carrying handle or cable holes that you can keep your cables clean and neat behind the screen. Then the tactile buttons, narrow matte bezel, and first of all matte screen. Because we're talking about professional displays, I cannot imagine having on my desk professional display with glare panel. So because of that, you can see a lot of fancy looking monitors of Samsung that are glare, but these are consumer products. Our professional products, including cloud displays, are all matte because of obvious reasons. We try to come up with typical solutions, and this would include standard VESA mount. So when you get cloud display, you get stand and you get screen itself. But the stand with screen is mounted over VESA, which means that you can easily hang it on the wall using standard wall mounts. Also, the screen can be adjusted in any position, in any orientation, due to HAS, which is height adjustable stand. So you can swivel it, you can tilt, you can pivot. And thanks to VMware and Teradici software, you can, of course, control also the image displayed on the screens. Couple of other features, eco-friendliness and cost savings thanks to electricity consumption. So CCFL was revolution because it consumes much less electricity than CRT or plasma panels. But then LED came, and LED is even more efficient when it goes about electricity consumption. So we're talking here about faster, the total cost of ownership is much lower. If you count using the screen over, let's say, 5 years period, this is regular time when the screens are being used and replaced, you will see the big saving on electricity bill. The picture quality I mentioned on previous slide, but it does matter for applications like graphic designer, in marketing where people need to prepare presentations, prepare some graphic content. It's extremely important to have a screen that will reflect the colors and the quality of the image. On this slide you can see real-life application, how Samsung Cloud Station, which is one of our products, looks on the desk in comparison to some other product. You see number of cables sticking out of the screen, and you see the cleanness on the desk. Even such prosaic things like turning on device. We made sure that you need to press just one button to, we simplify it as much as possible because it's integrated. The chip or the thin client is based in the stand, but the signal is passed also to the screen. So now it's just one simple click and you will turn on your endpoint device. This is how our products are being tested. So regarding power consumption, it's directly connected to heat emission. And this has been taken with heat camera, and it shows you what's the temperature in different points of our stand in comparison to some other products. You see the power consumption, and you see the heat that is being emitted from our device. Here a little bit of comparison, how our all-in-one solution looks like in comparison to other products. So you see that it will take half of the space of other products. Next thing I'd like to talk about is UPoE, Universal Power over Ethernet, which means that the power and the internet is being delivered in one cable. Probably 90% of you in this room knows what UPoE is, but for me it was a new thing when I heard of it. But then I saw that Samsung came up with screen that is following the standard. So one of our models, which is NC220p, is a screen that is on the desk and you need just one cable to provide power and electricity to it. So it's the cleanest solution you can imagine because it's integrated, it's all in one, and also you have one cable, network cable, getting into the screen and providing both internet and power. So on one side, on the end user side, we've got screen with the touchable adapter, and on the other side we have Cisco switch that is delivering this power and internet in one cable. On this slide, you can see a couple of applications that we are working on. These are reference cases that we started, and together with Cisco, we collaborate in order to deliver UPoE solution to these customers. Thanks to using LED technology that is consuming less power, we could use it because, as you can see, PoE has some limitations. So the maximum of power that you can deliver to the screen is 51 watt. It is extremely important to have power efficient monitor in order to stay below it. Our 22-inch cloud display is consuming around 35 watts of power. And the lineup itself. So we have a number of products. We've got all-in-one solution that provides you tidiness on your desk. It's compact design and it saves the space. But we also have something for those who are already having some infrastructure and they want to go toward virtualization, but they want to reduce cost by keeping some of the equipment that they already have. And here we came up with Samsung Base. It's VESA mounted, so any screen you have in your office, any screen is compatible with VESA, can be mounted on this high adjustable stand. We have 4 types of products. We have thin clients, which means that there is small PC built in the screen. And we have 0 clients that are following PC over IP protocol that is being used by VMware. And also we have 3 series of products. First one is hiding the chip or the PC behind the screen. The second one has it in a stand. Also we have stand itself available by itself. So on the next slides you can see sizes and models that are available. You can see that it varies from 18 inches to 24, 23.6. And TC and NC means that the whole, let's say, the guts are behind the screen. In Cloud Station, everything is in the stand. Either it's a PC or is it the Radici chip, it will be built in the stand. Then we have stand itself, and that is something that market pushed us to deliver. So people were asking, okay guys, you have screen, you have stand, but I need to get a set-top box. Can you deliver as competitors has it? So this was really designed, and it will be available in 2013 probably, because competition forced us to deliver such product. A few years ago, there was a decision made at Samsung that once we deal with B2B products, we would like to provide not only box with TV. We don't want to be any more box moving company, although it's still the biggest part of the business. But we would like to provide solutions. And because of that, in B2B division, we're also dealing with software a lot. And for our cloud displays, we also have a piece of software that let you control the displays. So if you would like to compare it to other solutions on the market, it's something like Symantec Altiris for controlling Samsung cloud displays. It's called Magic RMS, and it provides you centralized control and administration for your cloud displays, for your Samsung cloud displays. On this slide on the right side, you can see how it was growing, because it's been already 2 years, and we had 3 big releases. We have improved, during these releases we have improved, and we have provided a couple of new functionalities. So in the latest version, we can deploy remotely some specific configurations. We have package management, we have auto grouping, and we also support 64-bit system. So how does it work? It's a simple server-client setup. You install server or on any device, not necessarily the server. You can use any Windows PC. And each thin client needs to have software client installed on it. But if we're talking about 0 clients, so the screens that are compatible with VMware solution, the control is embedded in the firmware. So you don't need to install anything, you just configure it and you can use it right away. Now it's the fun part. It's for free. So as long as you get screens, you can test it, you can play with it. I will be happy to get feedback from you. I'm even more happy to getting a bad feedback from you, because it means that I have some stuff to provide to HQ what they should improve. So I encourage you to visit samsunglfd.com, which is our professional solution webpage. LFD means large format displays. Large format displays is the biggest part of our business. Cloud displays are a subset of it. But on that page, when you register, you can download a lot of materials. You can download Magic RMS. And assuming you have the screen, you can test it. And the screens you can get from our local subsidiaries. We have sample program where we rent our products to integrators, to customers, for your review. So you can test it, you can break it, then you can give it back to the office and say, guys, I like it, oh, I don't like it, I want to change this and that. And this feedback we take from you, and we improve based on that. So I encourage you to visit the page. I will also leave a couple of my business cards. If you would like to stay in touch with me, then you can do it also this way. Couple of success cases. First of all, of course, the products are VMware compatible and they are VMware certified. So all lineup that I showed you today has been checked by VMware specialists, and we have certification. A couple of use cases together with the reasons or the results of the use case. So, for example, Bank of America was looking for cost savings and security. So they decided to use our NC240, which is 24-inch PC over IP screen, and they installed almost 500 units in their banks, in their subsidiaries of their bank. And here you can see the annual electricity cost comparison, assuming they are using Samsung Cloud displays. So there is almost half of savings on electricity by using our monitors, our cloud displays. Then, because of picture quality, LucasArts decided to go for our screens, and they made installation of 115 units, and it's being used to design content, to design graphics for movies because of LED technology. LED technology was one of the reasons why they decided to go for it, because of how colors, how image is reflected on the panels. For high performance and for graphics quality, Lockheed decided to go for Samsung displays together with VMware solution, and also around 500 units has been installed in their premises, and they are using it. Very popular application that we observe right now are schools, universities. They are looking for some clean solution that will take very little space on their desks, that they don't need to look after the equipment that is on the desks. It's being covered with dust, it's being disconnected, some elements are missing. So they decided to go for thin clients and actually 0 clients, and this is what they installed in their premises. Hospitality is also a big application, especially in case of professional displays. We made sure that the design of the screen is done in a way that there is no dust getting into the screen. So what they get is this clean solution that can be installed in hospitals. They use Magic RMS to control the screens, and it has been done in Korea and St. Mary's Hospital as a reference case. So maybe before questions, I came up with a couple of questions to you. So the first person to answer, please raise hand and answer the question. Then the prizes will be given to you from Virginia. Will you help me? Or you want to deliver it from the back? From the back, okay, no problem. So, first question, what is the biggest size of cloud display that Samsung has in the offer? Yes? Correct? We have a winner here. So, next question. What is Magic RMS? Please raise your hand. Yes, remote management system for our displays. Okay, so we have 2 prizes here. Next question. What is HAS. Yes? What is that? Correct. You can adjust the height, you can swivel, you can tilt by using that stand. It's HAS, height adjustable stand. How you can get more information? That's the last question. So please focus. After my question to you, okay? That's the last one, I promise. How you can get more information on Samsung B2B products? Yes? I'm looking for different answer that is not involving me. Yes? Correct. Through the website samsunglfd.com. Okay, so I'm done with questions. Now, please. RDP is supported. Other standards, I would need to get a list from you, and then I can confirm which are supported and which are not. Of course, here I showed you the products that are working and are certified by VMware, but our products has been also certified by your competitors. So you need to keep in mind that we have solutions for most popular virtual systems. Mm-hmm. That's a pretty detailed question. I think it's better if I answer it individually. I would need to check exactly what you need to have. Is it printer? Is it USB storage? This is handled in our setups. Of course, if you have network displays, our network displays have 4, 6 USBs, 1.1, 2.0, depending on the model. This is supported. And the details, let's take it offline. Other questions? Thank you then. Thank you.